Guys, I'm so stoked. After this video, I am going to be labeling things. I am Monica. You know you reach that critical point in adulthood when you get excited about using a label maker. Actually, let's be honest. I've been like that since I was 5. Hello everyone! I'm here today to share with you guys a video that you guys had requested off of Insta Story. I had polled you guys and asked you when I had gotten a PR kit that came in from PR. It came in from PR. It came in from Too Faced. It's their new full coverage concealer, and honestly, like, the bottles are so gigantic. It's like I have another foundation. So I thought it'd be kind of fun today to kind of pair it head to head against Tarte Shape Tape, which is like the OG of the high coverage concealer world. And since this one is supposed to be like a less drying version of it, I thought it'd be cool to kind of compare it under the eyes, see how it wears throughout the day. I'll show you guys close up how it looks by the end of the day and just see if it's like a better version, because I'll be honest, I love Tarte Shape Tape. Don't get me wrong, it's a good one, but it is so drying under the eye, so I can't really wear it as an under eye concealer. So this one looks like a promising kind of alternative. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see new videos every Thursday and Sunday. And without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so let's talk about what this concealer actually is. Actually, it's on the floor. Hold on. I decided to send the longest box in the history of the world. So it says here, it can conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch. So you can use like a variety of different shades and create more of a contoured effect by using lighter and darker shades. Or you could just use it to conceal, which is also perfectly acceptable. The full name is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use It is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Consulting. I'm never gonna get this name right. Too Faced, why do you make the names of your products so long? It is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Yes, I got it. It is supposed to be hydrating, full coverage, very buildable. You can use it in a multitude of different ways. 12-hour crease-free, weightless wear, and photo-friendly, so there'll be no flashback. Like, this sounds amazing. This is what the product looks like, and like, look how gigantic this is as a concealer. Like, does this not look enormous? Is that just me? Laura Mercier concealer, Too Faced concealer. It's like the mommy and the little baby. And here we have side by side, just a comparison of the two. The Tarte Shape Tape is 10 milliliters, Too Faced is 15. So again, you get more product. And let's apply this. That's gonna be too dark. Too dark, Rachel. I'm gonna use the shade Almond underneath the eyes. This looks like a nice neutral tone, and then Vanilla for the rest of the face, because apparently we're going for like a food theme today. So you can see side by side that the Tarte Shape Tape one is quite a bit larger than the Too Faced one. But the Too Faced one has more of a diamond tip, and the Tarte Shape Tape one is more rounded. So they say for conceal and retouch, choose your shade and then apply thick lines using the flat surface, as well as thinner lines using the side and tip for more precision and precise coverage. Okie dokie. Thick line. Oh, it's very soft. Is that good? Whoa, that is really light. Just tone that down a little bit. And so far, in terms of how it is blending into the skin, it is very, very smooth. It's not too thick. It's spreading out really nicely too, like all the way across my face, because that was a lot more concealer than I'm used to using. Like, considering how much product I feel like I put under my eyes, like, it's blending out super nicely. And it covered up that teeny tiny little zit there too. That's good. It looks really good. Very flawless so far. I like it. Now let's just blend in all this Tarte Shape Tape and do a side by side. Now I'm just gonna let this dry down a little bit. I don't want to set it when it's super wet, especially considering how much I put on. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna try and use a darker shade to create more of like a sculpted, contoured kind of appearance. So I'm going to be using the shade Light Beige, which is 3 shades darker than my skin tone, not the one I put under my eye, so Vanilla. I don't know, man. You said 3 shades, Too Faced. That is not dark enough. Get rid of that. What about Golden Beige? No. I feel like Honey would be a good one. I didn't stripe this onto my face because I don't like to do like a ton of contour. So I'm doing more just like putting it on the side of my hand and then blending it on. Otherwise, I will look like a crazy person. And now to set it, I'm going to be using the Elizabeth Arden High Performance Blurring Loose Powder. It's one of my favorites right now. And just like a little, I think this is actually from Flower Beauty. Little velour puff. I'm also kind of curious if this is going to dry down and oxidize on my skin, or if it's going to stay true to color, because that is a problem for me. So far, everything is looking really good. I am impressed. Dang. So that is what my skin is looking like. They both look very, very comparable upon first impression. Having set them both, they both look really, really phenomenal under the eyes, which is my one area. I have dark under eye circles usually, so that's the one area where I focus. But it did a really good job. It's blended out very smoothly. It looks very poreless on my skin. Like, I'm really liking both so far. So I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face, throw on some highlight and some blush, and go about the rest of my day, do a little bit more filming and errands, and I will check in with you guys tonight. We will zoom in close and we will see which side is the winner. Hey guys, so it is now at the end of the day, and this is what my makeup is looking like, and honestly, like, it's been looking really good today. I will say, however, the waterproof mascara that I used is going in the garbage. You know, when you get like those little dots of mascara, like I can't even deal with it. But you can see in the close-up, it's held up really well all day. Like, it is very full coverage. It is there. It has not budged, except in the spots where I was kind of removing some of the mascara splotches that were kind of stuck there, but that was not the concealer's fault. That was totally on the mascara. But honestly, in terms of a first impression standpoint, I have no complaints with this. I will absolutely be using it again. I think it has held up really well. It hasn't looked really creasy. And actually the Tarte Shape Tape one kind of surprised me today, because it was not looking creasy either. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I did, but whatever I did, I was really good. I don't know. Have you guys tried this yet? What do you think? Do you think it's good, bad? Do you think there's another full coverage concealer that you like better? Let me know in the comments, and check out the videos on the side over here. I did one on Sunday where I tested out a spray-on water self-tanner. It's a product where you literally feel like you're spraying like a bottle of water on yourself, and like you're supposed to get tan from that. But the pro is that it's not supposed to show up on white sheets and towels, which is why I bought it. But let me know if you go and check out that video. Leave me a comment there if you came from this video, and that is everything. I hope you guys are having an awesome weekend, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah!